While Apple has recently allowed sideloading apps on iPhones in select regions, Android has offered this feature from the start. Despite this, the Google Play Store remains the main source for downloading apps on our Android devices, whether they're high-end flagships, foldable smartphones, or budget-friendly Android phones. While you do have the choice to install alternative app stores on your device, the question remains, should you switch from the Play Store to other app stores? Here are 5 reasons why the Google Play Store is better compared to other app stores. Play Store is more developer-friendly. Essential for those making apps for us. What truly sets an app store apart is its appeal to developers, and Google has made the Play Store notably more developer-friendly compared to its counterparts. To begin with, Google imposes only a one-time developer fee of just $25 for registration, enabling developers to publish apps on the Play Store. For comparison, Apple requires developers to pay an annual fee of $99 for publishing and updating apps on the App Store. In addition, the Play Store has a less stringent app review process than the App Store. This means developers can publish their apps more quickly and easily on the Play Store without extensive back and forth with the review team. However, it has a downside: some lower-quality apps slip through the cracks from time to time. And let's not overlook the fact that the Play Store has the widest reach of any app store globally because it comes pre-installed on every Android smartphone. This means developers have a larger audience to target, increasing the likelihood of their app's success. One last thing that I'd like to mention here is that Play Store offers an easy beta testing feature, which enables developers to test new features with their audience before releasing them to the public, something that isn't available as easily on other app stores. Install apps on iPhone. Download your favorite Google apps from the App Store. Step 1 of 7. On your iPhone, open the App Store app. Step 2 of 7. At the bottom right, tap Search. Step 3 of 7. You can find many Google products and services available on your iPhone. For example, you can search for Google Chrome. Step 4 of 7. Tap Get. Tip: if you previously downloaded this app on another iOS device, tap on the download icon. Step 5 of 7. Tap Install. Step 6 of 7. Enter your Apple ID password. Then, tap Sign In. Step 7 of 7. Your app will download in the background. When it's finished, tap Open. Tip: you can also return to your home screen and open the app.